Hello everybody. I'm bringing you a video today of 2015 Toyota Camry getting scanned with Xtool D8. As always, it did connect. It goes through the Toyotas pretty decent. I still have an issue. It's not bringing up the miles easily. It's annoying. And I'll tell you, the reason I am so set on miles is because there's a lot of these little crap car dealers and driveway car dealers clocking cars. They're getting these tools and they're clocking them. And I want to make sure I'm not getting a clocked car. And I'm also helping friends when they car shop to make sure they're not getting a car that's clocked. Clocked means a rollback or adjusted speedometer or kilometers on a vehicle. So yeah, it's a big thing. I went yesterday and looked at a couple cars, and I'd put my life on it. Those things have been clocked. One of them was a 2015 Civic Hybrid, and it ran and drove. But I'll tell you what, I've never driven a car that drove so terrible with 70,000 miles. I mean, this thing, it pulled, it drove like it had 250, 300,000 rough miles. And, the engine sounded like crap. My girlfriend was even like, "What? This thing sounds terrible." And I looked at a Prius also, and it was an 05 Prius. And I'm going to tell you what, that thing drove. The only thing it had good was it had the body, interior, and the battery. The hybrid battery. But it was kind of weird. The engine just didn't feel right. And it didn't drive like a 100,000 mile Prius. So that's just a couple of examples. And there's so many other cars out there. You look on Marketplace, I can assure you many of those from a lot of these, at least in my area, some of these, how do you put it, less desirable dealers. It's too sketchy. And I'll leave it at that. But yeah, so that's why I'm so set on miles. And if I can't find miles on a $600-700 scanner, it's useless. You know. The ECU mileage is important. Now, getting back to this, another issue I had. The car was saying maintenance required on the dash, but I didn't get any red marks. I looked around, and it had a couple failures, but nothing was marked. So it was kind of a unique thing to not have a red flag or red marking of something that had to be done or an error that was about to happen on the car. But other than that, I mean, the D8 does a lot of things. They do update it often, and it is well made. Just, I have a couple little issues, and it's things that they could add to it. They want you to get the D9. The D9 does do the mileage. Well, they should add the miles check to this one. It's not a big issue. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. I'll play a little music till the end of the video. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and watch other videos I'm posting. I'm going to have more with a couple other scanners. Have a great day.